We wanted to say thank you for watching us. Thank you for following and subscribing. We really appreciate your viewership. We hope you've had a laugh.
Mwah! And for putting up with me for the last 2 years as we're building this thing.
Yeah, it's been more than 20 for me. You think you feel bad. Have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. It'll be our 8th wedding anniversary, New Year's Eve.
Wow.
And he hasn't killed me yet.
Well, it's still early.
Not there yet. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And we'll see you again.
Peace out.
Peace out.
This is the cleaver curing cabinet that we did our ham in, and we're going to be using it as time goes on to making our own chorizos and salamis and sausages and so on. But what is unique about this unit is, apart from the fact that it's a fridge, it also keeps the humidity at a preset temperature which you can adjust. And that's what allows you to make these things without them drying out and becoming hard as a rock. That's what we got going on in here. Because our ham was our first attempt, we wanted to have a backup plan, and so we pre-bought a couple of hams there in case ours didn't work out. But as it turns out, it worked out better than we anticipated. So that's just sitting there. We took the other half to the one family for Christmas, and this is for the other half in the next day or so. We're going to unwrap that and show that to you. But it is just amazing. So anyway, this is the finished product. Well, half of the finished product. I said the other half went to the first half of the family. And this is what it looks like. And oh my God, I wish we had smell-o-vision. It is spectacular. And as it turns out, we didn't need our standby hams because this turned out better than we ever thought possible, considering it's our first time. We will most definitely be doing this again, and I don't think we'll be buying store-bought ham again. It is just brilliant. And a taste. Finger licking good.
Get your fingers out of it.
Should be more of it. Love it. So, because we weren't altogether sure what was going to happen, what we're going to do is make some videos in the near future as Her Ladyship starts making other meat products like sausages, choboy, sausages, salamis, chorizo, you name it. All the meat stuff that you can cure.
And fresh sausages.
And fresh sausages. Well, my mouth's watering. I might steal a bit of that. I got my bit. Oh my God.
That smokiness really comes through. I used 2 different woods with that, cherry and apple.
Oh, cherry and apple. I thought you only used apple wood.
I ran out.
Ah, okay. How long was it in there? 12 hours of smoking. 12 hours of smoking. My God, that's good. And it's mine. I'm not sharing. Spectacular. And here we are after lunch with bellies full.
Yes, indeed.
Hey? The after Christmas indulgence.
Oh, we've tidied up the wrappings.
Yeah.
Just about to
And
put
wrapped up the tidying.
it's just about to put a bow and a splash of brandy on the plum pudding.
Oh, nearly plum pudding time. Hey? And the matriarch.
Yes, but the
Here we go.
The chef for the plum pudding is collapsed in a chair.
That's it. After a good Christmas lunch.
Oh, look what else have you got, honestly.
Well, that's the Dalesford plum pudding, isn't it, Mum?
A big
The
pan?
Dalesford plum
Yes,
pudding.
yes.
We have a closed chain environment here. The coins from the back of the couch will be in the plum pudding. Within a minute.
Well,
There you are.
with our current economic situation, you'll probably be hard pressed to find a coin behind the couch. Welcome back to the Gunners Club.
Absolutely, you're here with Gunnar, of course with Soos, and thank you for sharing your Christmas with us. So from all at Soosology, Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year. I'm going to be spending the end of the year at our wine capital at the Barossa Valley.
Oh, what a good place to spend it.
Well deserved, I think. If you go back to some of our early videos, we've talked a lot about wine. We've talked a lot about the local alcohol industry. Something I'd like to do more of as well in the coming year.
Anything to do with alcohol, you know I'm in there.
It's always fun. We've got some big plans for next year, including some special guests. So keep an eye out for that.
Yeah.
Apart from that, more of the same. Well, that's sort of where we're at. But you've got something interesting prepared for Christmas as well. I think you're going to share that with the camera. You're currently, what are you doing? Triple smoking.
Yes. We decided that we're going to do our own ham this year. So we bought like a 10 kilo ham, and it's currently sitting there brining, and then it's going to get smoked in the smoker, and, you know, hopefully it'll all turn out okay for Christmas. But it's coming up there.
Oh, I think so. Thanks again for joining us. Have a wonderful Christmas. We'll catch you in the new year. Lots of new adventures planned. Do us a favour. Go back to the back catalogue because it's more diverse than you would ever believe possible. People say to us, we just can't believe how many different topics that you are tackling. Like, for example, today, we did one on settling Mars.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
And just the other week, we were talking about who the vice president of the world is. So we pretty much cover it. If you're interested in using your mind, or if you're interested in having a bit of a laugh, go back, have a look. I think we won't let you down.
And if it's controversial, we'll cover it.
We like it.
Exactly. The more controversial, the more we like it.
Keep watching Soosology. We'll see you again really soon. Happy New Year. Happy Christmas.
That's it. And I hope Santa comes down your chimney.
With the full sack.
That's the one.
and empty when he leaves.
Catch you guys.